Hi everyone, today I'm making vegetarian rice cake soup using cashew milk. Sounds delicious, right? Cashew has lots of benefits. It's healthy, nutritious, and delicious. I consider this meal a soul-satisfying soup. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, set the notification bell on, and leave your comment. So let's get started. The main ingredients are rice cake, cashew, scallion, garlic, egg, and red pepper thread. Rice cake is made out of rice. It tastes like a chewy pasta. It's not a cake we eat as a dessert. Put rice cake into warm water for 20 minutes. This will make rice cake softer. And cashew into warm water for 30 minutes to an hour. Let's make anchovy broth. This anchovy broth has a deeper umami flavor that is making this soup super delicious. You need sliced onion with skin, dried herrings, dried anchovy, and dried kelps and water. Turn the heat on and put a little sesame oil to the pan and char the onion for 3 minutes on a medium-low heat. Can you see the onion is charred? Smells great. Add herrings, anchovies, kelps, and stir constantly for 2 or 3 minutes. Pour water. Take the skim out when the water starts boiling. Bring the water to boil for 20 minutes. Look at this deep flavored anchovy broth. Smells so delicious. This is pre-roasted seaweed pepper. I'm going to roast it to maximize crispiness. Roast it for 30 seconds. Use the plastic bag to break it. Use your hands. Hands are always great tools, right? Looks yummy. Chopped scallion. I am using only green part. Chopped garlic. Let's make cashew milk. Do you see cashew is well plumbed? Put cashew and water to the blender. Blend for 45 seconds on a split pan. I'm using Vitamix blender, but the time will vary depending on your blender. It takes about 8 minutes when using regular blender. Look at this creamy cashew milk, smells so delicious. Now let's make rice cake soup. Turn the heat high and pour anchovy broth to the pan. When the broth is boiling, add rice cake, soy sauce, salt, garlic, cashew milk, and stir constantly for 3 to 4 minutes. The broth looks incredible. Add sesame oil. Look at this delicious, soul-satisfying rice cake soup. Garnish with julienne the egg, chopped scallion, shredded seaweed paper, crushed sesame seeds, red pepper thread, and black pepper. Let me try it. Soup is nutty and creamy and rice cake is chewy. Kimchi is the best side dish to pair with. Please consider subscription, click the like button and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.